are the 3 reasons why you should not miss the Automechanika Ho Chi Minh City.
Number 1 is fun. There are many entertaining activities that you can participate in, such as car racing games, spin wheel games, and basketball. As you can see, I'm not very good at it, but it's fun. Even though I'm an adult, I still love to receive gifts from winning the games. Make sure you invite your family and friends here to check in and receive gifts from the kiosks. You can also join the EMMA show, the car audio and modification competition, showcasing over 70 tuned cars from expert workshops and teams. The most impressive activity here is the Drift and Stunt Show. It gives you the feeling of being in the Fast and Furious movies in real life. It's so amazing. Lastly, you can immerse yourself in amazing performances at the AutoNIS music party with talented singers like Justa T, Hoàng Dũng, Phương Ly, and other amazing dancers. Have you heard of them? As you see, many Vietnamese admire them. This is a fun way to learn not only about the automotive industry, but also about Vietnamese cultures.
Number 2 is helpful.
Can you believe your car can be inspected and washed for free here? Ensure you stop at the Auto Service Day, where they present solutions for diagnostics and repair, accessories and customizing, car washing and detailing, and many other helpful services. This is the 6th edition of Automechanika Ho Chi Minh City, gears up to host 482 exhibitors from 23 countries and regions. As a significant step forward, besides the outdoor area, the show will span across halls A and B of the Saigon Exhibition and Convention Center, SECC, in District 7, Ho Chi Minh City.
It's informative.
In recent years, the automotive industry in Vietnam has changed significantly through electrification, digitalization, technological advancements, and the adoption of AI. To learn more about the newest technology, you can visit the Automotive Mobility Solutions Zone. Industrial practices have also transformed in light of these advancements and greater focus on environmental sustainability. The car manufacturer will have access to AI-driven chip verification and debugging tools.
Can you tell me about your company and your product, please?
My name is Tuấn from DSO Companies. We are automotive engineering companies working in E and software domain. We're doing the software testing, system engineering and BSc, cybersecurity and functional safety. We're also doing AI tiny ML. It's not only applied in automotive but also in manufacturing. It's really excited for me to join the big event like this in Automechanika Ho Chi Minh 2024. This is the second time for me. It's another feeling, more excited, more motivated. And purpose to come here is to show our capabilities, to make more network, get more partner and get more customers. And we also try to make type like bring Automechanika to another level, focusing not only supply chain and services for automotive, but also for mobility solutions, smart mobility solutions, digitalization, automation for manufacturing, supply chain, and sustainability. AI applies everywhere, but in automotive and manufacturing is also really the core focus right now for AI application. Like in vehicle, now you can see the vehicle can run without the fuel, like autonomous vehicle or ADAS. Without AI, it cannot do like this. So AI will support to run the AI model for autonomous vehicle in the AI chipset in the vehicle. We are working in AI where we optimize model in chipsets that bring more chance to bring AI model running in the chipset and AI where we do not need to run via cloud.
Okay, yes, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Vietnam is attracting foreign businesses and developing automotive assembly, manufacturing, and aftermarket services capabilities. Looking for the latest products? You should visit the automotive repair, maintenance, parts, and components. They update the latest oils and lubricants, repair equipment and toolkits, car detailing and washing, accessories, parts and components, and even tires. You might be familiar with big brands names such as Autel, Carlas, and Launch. In addition, you will have the opportunity to talk with many representatives from many countries here. Automechanika is a great place to connect the Vietnamese automotive market to the world for industry players to explore massive business opportunities and develop the entire automotive value chain. The returning collision repair training workshop will feature experts from top down, sharing their insights on electric vehicle systems, repair, and safety precautions. The workshop will highlight the latest technological updates in high voltage systems, EV repair, and ADAS. It will focus on safety requirements in repair and explore business models to improve garage management efficiency. Live demonstration of tools and machinery will run alongside theoretical discussions. At the same time, DIY workshops introduce different approaches to car care, detailing, and self-maintenance.
Oh my gosh, I can hang out in this exhibition the whole day without feeling bored. But I don't want to hang out by myself. I want to invite you to attend the Automechanika show so that you can learn more about the automotive industry as well as participating in so many fun activities.
The exhibition will be held at Saigon Exhibition and Convention Center from June 19 to 21st of 2025.
I'll see you soon. And now, let's play it, watch it, and feel it together.